Introduction. Welcome to our travel adventure through the breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural tapestry of Switzerland. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Switzerland is a country that seems to have been plucked straight from a storybook, with its majestic mountains, crystal-clear lakes, and charming villages. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to explore some of the best places to visit in this stunning destination. From the iconic Matterhorn, which towers over the picturesque town of Zermatt, to the serene shores of Lake Geneva, Switzerland offers a diverse array of experiences that cater to every type of traveler. Imagine standing at the foot of the Alps, surrounded by snow-capped peaks, or strolling through vibrant cities like Zurich and Lucerne, where modernity meets history. As we delve into the heart of Switzerland, we'll uncover not just the natural beauty but also the cultural richness that defines this remarkable country. You'll discover charming traditions, delicious Swiss cuisine, and the warm hospitality of the locals. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history buff, or simply someone looking to soak in stunning views, Switzerland has something for everyone. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to be inspired as we explore the must-see destinations that make Switzerland a true gem of Europe. Zermatt and the Matterhorn. Nestled at the foot of the iconic Matterhorn, the picturesque village of Zermatt is a true alpine paradise that captivates visitors with its stunning views and vibrant atmosphere. As you wander through the charming, car-free streets, you'll be greeted by traditional wooden chalets, quaint shops, and cozy cafes, all set against the backdrop of one of the most photographed mountains in the world. The unique alpine atmosphere of Zermatt invites you to slow down and soak in the beauty that surrounds you. For outdoor enthusiasts, Zermatt is a playground of adventure. In the winter, the region transforms into a skiing haven, boasting over 360 kilometers of slopes that cater to all skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, the pristine snow and breathtaking views make every run unforgettable. As the seasons change, Zermatt offers incredible hiking trails that showcase the stunning landscapes, with routes suitable for both leisurely strolls and challenging treks. One of the must-do experiences in Zermatt is a ride on the Gornergrat Railway. This cogwheel train takes you on a scenic journey to the Gornergrat summit, where you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of the Matterhorn and surrounding peaks. Whether you're skiing down the slopes, hiking through lush valleys, or simply enjoying the alpine charm of the village, Zermatt and the Matterhorn promise an unforgettable experience that will leave you in awe of Switzerland's natural beauty. Lucerne and Lake Lucerne. Welcome to Lucerne, a city that perfectly blends historical charm with breathtaking natural beauty. Nestled beside the stunning Lake Lucerne, this picturesque destination is renowned for its rich history and vibrant culture. One of the most iconic landmarks is the Chapel Bridge, a wooden-covered bridge dating back to the 14th century. Adorned with beautiful paintings that depict the city's history, it serves as a symbol of Lucerne's resilience and architectural beauty. Nearby, the Lion Monument stands as a poignant tribute to the Swiss Guards who lost their lives during the French Revolution, showcasing both artistry and historical significance. As you explore Lucerne, don't miss the opportunity to take a scenic boat ride on Lake Lucerne. The crystal-clear waters reflect the surrounding mountains, including the majestic Pilatus, which towers over the landscape. These boat rides offer a unique perspective of the region, allowing you to soak in the stunning vistas while enjoying the gentle breeze. Beyond its natural beauty, Lucerne boasts a vibrant local culture that is sure to delight visitors. Stroll through the charming streets, where you can discover local shops, art galleries, and bustling markets. Be sure to indulge in the delicious Swiss cuisine, from traditional fondue to mouthwatering pastries. Lucerne and Lake Lucerne invite you to immerse yourself in a captivating blend of history, culture, and stunning scenery that will leave you enchanted. Interlaken and the Jungfrau region. Welcome to Interlaken, the adventure capital of Switzerland, where adrenaline-pumping activities meet stunning natural beauty. Nestled between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, Interlaken serves as the perfect base for exploring the breathtaking Jungfrau region. Thrill seekers will find a plethora of outdoor activities to choose from, including paragliding, which offers an exhilarating way to soar above the picturesque landscape. Imagine gliding through the air, taking in panoramic views of the Eiger, Monk, and Jungfrau peaks, which dominate the skyline with their majestic presence. For those who prefer to keep their feet on the ground, the hiking trails in the Jungfrau region are nothing short of spectacular. With routes that cater to all skill levels, you can wander through lush meadows, past cascading waterfalls, and enjoy the fresh alpine air while surrounded by breathtaking scenery. Each turn reveals a new vista that will leave you in awe of Switzerland's natural wonders. Don't forget to explore the charming villages of Grindelwald and Lauterbrunnen, both of which offer their own unique allure. Grindelwald, with its stunning views of the Eiger, is a hiker's paradise, while Lauterbrunnen enchants visitors with its dramatic cliffs and 72 waterfalls. These picturesque villages provide a perfect backdrop for relaxation after a day of adventure. Interlaken and the Jungfrau region promise an unforgettable experience filled with excitement, stunning landscapes, and the warm hospitality of the Swiss Alps. Geneva and Lake Geneva. Welcome to Geneva, a cosmopolitan city that beautifully blends international significance with stunning natural beauty. Situated along the shores of Lake Geneva, this vibrant city is known for its rich history and cultural diversity. One of the most iconic landmarks is the Jet d'Eau, a magnificent water fountain that shoots 140 meters into the air, symbolizing the spirit of Geneva. Just a short distance away, the United Nations headquarters stands as a testament to the city's role as a hub for diplomacy and global cooperation. Geneva is also home to a wealth of cultural attractions that will captivate any visitor. Explore the numerous museums, such as the International Red Cross and Red Crescent Museum, which highlights humanitarian efforts, or the Patek Philippe Museum, showcasing exquisite timepieces. Art enthusiasts will appreciate the city's vibrant art galleries, featuring both contemporary and classic works. As you stroll along the picturesque lakeside promenades, take in the breathtaking views of the Alps and the surrounding landscape. The serene atmosphere invites you to relax and enjoy the beauty of Lake Geneva. Don't miss the opportunity to indulge in local dining experiences, where you can savor Swiss specialties like fondue and raclette, or enjoy fresh seafood from the lake. Geneva and Lake Geneva offer a perfect blend of culture, history, and natural beauty, making it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking a unique experience. Bern, the capital city. Welcome to Bern, the charming capital of Switzerland, where history and culture come together in a delightful blend. This picturesque city is renowned for its UNESCO World Heritage-listed Old Town, a stunning area that showcases beautifully preserved medieval architecture. As you wander through the cobblestone streets, you'll be captivated by the intricate facades of the buildings, the iconic arcades, and the enchanting atmosphere that transports you back in time. One of the must-see attractions in Bern is the Zeitglocke Clock Tower, a medieval landmark that has been keeping time since the 15th century. Be sure to catch the hourly show, where the clock's animated figures come to life, delighting visitors of all ages. Another highlight is the Bear Park, home to the city's beloved bears, which offers a unique opportunity to observe these magnificent creatures in a naturalistic setting while enjoying views of the surrounding landscape. Bern is not just about history, it also boasts a vibrant cultural scene that invites exploration. Local markets, such as the Bundesplatz Market, offer fresh produce, artisanal goods, and a taste of Swiss culinary delights. The city is also home to numerous galleries, theaters, and museums that showcase everything from contemporary art to Swiss history. Whether you're strolling through the old town, visiting key attractions, or immersing yourself in the local culture, Bern promises an unforgettable experience that captures the essence of Switzerland's capital. Lausanne and the Olympic Museum. Welcome to Lausanne, a vibrant city that beautifully combines a rich cultural heritage with stunning natural scenery. Nestled on the shores of Lake Geneva, Lausanne is not only known for its picturesque views but also for being the headquarters of the International Olympic Committee. At the heart of this Olympic legacy is the Olympic Museum, a must-visit destination for sports enthusiasts and history buffs alike. The museum features interactive exhibits that bring the spirit of the Olympics to life, showcasing the history of the Games, the athletes' journeys, and the values of sportsmanship and perseverance. Visitors can engage with multimedia displays, explore memorabilia, and even participate in fun activities that celebrate athletic achievements. As you explore Lausanne, be sure to take in the breathtaking views of Lake Geneva from the city's hills. The panoramic vistas offer a stunning backdrop for leisurely strolls and provide the perfect opportunity for photography. The vibrant waterfront promenade is ideal for relaxing and enjoying the serene beauty of the lake. Lausanne is also surrounded by picturesque vineyards that produce some of Switzerland's finest wines. Take a tour of the local vineyards, where you can learn about the winemaking process and sample exquisite wines. Don't miss the chance to indulge in the city's culinary delights, from traditional Swiss dishes to innovative cuisine. Lausanne invites you to experience its Olympic heritage, stunning landscapes, and rich flavors, making it a destination that truly has something for everyone. Conclusion. As we wrap up our journey through the best places to visit in Switzerland, it's clear that this stunning country offers a remarkable diversity of experiences that cater to every type of traveler. From the majestic peaks of Zermatt and the iconic Matterhorn to the serene beauty of Lake Lucerne and the vibrant city life in Geneva, Switzerland is a treasure trove of breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural experiences. Each destination we explored, including the charming villages of Interlaken and the historical significance of Bern, showcases the unique allure that Switzerland has to offer. Remember to keep key destinations like Zermatt, Lucerne, and Geneva in mind for your future travels. Each location promises unforgettable adventures, whether you're seeking outdoor thrills, cultural immersion, or simply a place to relax and enjoy stunning views. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more about the incredible places around the world, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Your support helps us create more engaging travel content that inspires exploration and adventure. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Switzerland, and we hope to see you in our next travel adventure.